Welcome back to another activity on the months of the year. How many months are there in a year? 12. Correct. So for that you need to make 12 flashcards on which you are going to write the number 1 to 12, and on one number you will write January, on two number you will write February, this way ending till on December. And you are going to place your flashcards in an order like this. First is January, second is February, third is March, fourth is April, fifth is May, sixth is June, seventh is July, eighth is August, ninth is September, 10th is October, 11th is November, and the last is December, 12th month. Now I'm going to ask you few questions. What comes before June? First you need to look at June, and then you need to see what comes before June. It's May. Now what comes before May? Oh, it's difficult, nothing is here. So you need to go to this side. This is April. You need to look at the number also, 5. And before 5 comes 4. And on 4th it's April. So April is your answer. Now if I ask you what comes between January and March. Okay, first you will look at January, and last you will look at March, and whatever comes in between you are going to reply February. Correct. Suppose I ask you what comes in between September and December. So first you are going to look at September and you will look at December. Whatever comes in between you are going to give me that answer. So after September is October and November. So between September and December comes October and November. What comes after November? December, which is the third month. Look at the chart. Okay, this is the third month, March. Correct. So we are going to move on to the next. 1 week has 7 days, and now we are going to learn the spellings of the months. Here comes the first, January. 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 Where is second month gone? Special month. So it's going to come in a special way. Here comes February. 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 Here comes the third month with a hat, March. 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 Welcoming fourth month, April. 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 April is saying goodbye and welcoming the fifth month, May. 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 Here comes the sixth month with a thundering, storming night, June. 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 Rainy season starts. Here comes seventh month, July. 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 Here is eighth month, who is eagerly waiting for its turn and jumping. August. 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 August is saying goodbye and welcoming sparkling September, ninth month. September, September. Followed by 10th month, October. October, October. October is saying hello to 11th month, November. November, November. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Guessed it right. 12th month, Christmas month, December. December, December. It's the last month of the year and it welcomes the new year from January. Now we move on to the question time. Which month comes after June? Think. Correct. July. Now, next. Which month comes after January? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and here comes your answer. February. Perfect answer. Fantastic. Which month comes in between April and June? Countdown begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. May. Summer month. Which is the 8th month? Think. I'm hinting you. It was very good. Jumping. Did you guess it? Correct. 8th month, August. Perfectly correct. In which month your teeth chatter? It's cold and your teeth start chattering. Correct. December. But some of you are saying, no, it's not December. It's January. Right? Okay. January is also right. December is also right. Both the answers are right. You can dance for your correct answer. Both are the coldest month. Okay. In which month Republic Day falls? Our constitution was being made. You can see parade at Rajpath Marg. Correct. January. It's on 26th January. Enjoy your day and play and learn more.